of head count, we need to recite the Damashan Pledge. Okay, so may I request your silence, please? 3, 2, 1, silence please, as we will be reciting the Damashan Pledge.
Damashan Power.
I am a God-loving person. I am prayerful. I am a well-rounded person. I am clear in my direction and goals in life. I am a wise decision maker. I am socially aware. I am willing to share my time, talents, and treasures. I am continually searching for truth. I am aiming for academic excellence and value formation. I am faithful and loyal to my family, alma mater, and country. I am a co-missionary of the church.
Very nice.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 79th Intramurals 2025. Opening in 10. Ladies and gentlemen, joke pa to. Okay, para pampasrinig pa ang
fuck you, man.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we officially open our 79 Intramurals, listen up everyone para dili magkalibog tomorrow. February 27, Thursday, 7:30 will be the sports parade. Before the parade, natay head count. Again, 7:30. That is 7:30 sharp.
Nice.
Okay. And then, naatay mass sa 8:30 a.m. atong venue sa ICP. And then, 10 a.m. will be the opening program sa Municipal Plaza. So again, sa morning, 7:30 will the sports parade. So before 7:30 will be the head count. Followed by 8:30 Mass, venue na to ICP, and 10 a.m. the opening program sa Municipal Plaza. Alright! So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, as we open our 79 Intramurals 2025, let's open in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Pilgrims and agents of hope, embracing synodically. Team Pioneers! Team Papa! So ladies and gentlemen, best of luck as we open our Intramurals.
Back. Total. And
Yes, and that symbolizes the power of sport to bring people together, to inspire and to ignite the fire of ambition in the hearts of millions. Ladies and gentlemen,